Hi there and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to work stitches into what's called the third loop, or sometimes it's called the back bump. So to get started, I'm just going to create a slip knot and chain 8. On each chain you'll see a V. So if you turn this sideways, this is the front loop. This is the back loop. What we're going to work our stitches into today, if you flip it over and you run your thumb down the back of this, you'll feel little bumps. That's our third loop. Sometimes it's called a back bump. Starting in the third loop from the hook, just going to insert my hook underneath the loop, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over and pull through both. Next stitch, go underneath that back bump, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through both. I'm going to do this all the way to the end of my row. One thing I love about working in the back bump or the third loop is what straight edge finish you get on your very first row. And to start another row, you just chain 1, turn your work, and you're ready to put any kind of stitch into your next row. So let me know how you liked working in the back bump. If you've tried it, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If you like the tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate all of your support. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day ahead and happy crocheting.